Bubble trap activated! Bye-bye, Toby! The secret is...
Look at his pants!
Why is everyone looking and laughing at me? Welcome to the theme park, kids!
Have fun, but no mean pranks, okay?
I am the bravest 8-year-old Big Brother. I will win! Game on, Big Bro! Catch me if you can! Bumper car hit! You are too slow, Zoe! Bubble trap activated! Bye-bye, Toby! Whoa! My car is spinning like a top! Point 1 for little sister Zoe! Now watch the master grab the giant bear. Oh no, Bibo! You pressed the button too early. Look! I got a mini Bibo toy. Let us jump in the bouncy castle. Super bounce attack! Hey! That is not fair, Toby! Come here, Big Bro. I have a big secret to tell you. The secret is... I am a snowman now. You look so funny, Snowman Toby. Here is your chocolate donut, Zoe. Yummy donut. And super sticky chocolate. Where is the roller coaster? Let me check the map. Oopsie! Just cleaning my hand.
Look at his pants! Ew! What is that brown spot?
Why is everyone looking and laughing at me?
Don't laugh out loud.
Toby? Come here for a second, buddy. You have sticky chocolate all over your pants, buddy.
Oh no! Chocolate? That is why they laughed at me. Zoe, did you put chocolate on your brother's pants?
I just wanted to play a funny joke.
Jokes are fun when everyone laughs, not when it makes people shy.
We prank to laugh together, not to make family sad.
I am sorry, Big Brother Toby. It was a bad joke. You can have my new donut to make it up.
Thank you, Zoe. I forgive you. You look messy, too.
High five! Team Toby and Zoe is back!
That is my brave boy and clever girl.
Let us go home, my little pranksters. Next time, only safe and happy jokes, okay? Yes! Only happy jokes that make everyone smile.
See you next time! Subscribe to learn English with Toby and Zoe.